So guys, as you can see, niko hapa Shell petrol station, and this is what I want to talk to you about. It's called fuel treatment. It was recommended to me by my mechanic for Nissan March. He told me that every time I cover 10,000 kilometers with the vehicle, I should fuel my car with full tank and add this fuel treatment to my full tank. So the purpose of this fuel treatment is to reduce emissions and keep fuel system clean, improves fuel economy, use it regularly to improve your engine response. So why he recommended this is because my vehicle used to have a sign of check engine some time back, and he told me that some components of the injector were clogged, and he said that anytime you use this fuel treatment, all those cloggings are cleaned, and then the performance of the vehicle goes up. So you are going to see how we are going to apply this fuel treatment, and I will tell you where you can buy it as the video proceeds. So I'll give it to the guy who is serving me at Shell petrol station. The idea is first of all to put it halfway. So kwanza unaweka nusu when the fuel tank is at close to zero. So mine is close to zero. Kwanza tuweke mafuta kama ya 4,000, and then from there aweke mafuta ingine until ikuwe full tank so that it mixes well. And I'm telling you guys that this is a product that you will properly see its result. So let me get out and we'll see how we apply it to my vehicle until full tank. So tutaenda nikufungulie kwanza, nikuonyeshe vile tutafanya. Yes, so this is the car, you know it very well. Msiseme ni gari ya wenyewe naweka full tank, ni gari yangu. So kwanza utaweka half amount. Irakata? Ni maji. Kaza kabisa. Shika. Oh, Jesus. No problem. So weka nusu. Ongeza. Ongeza, hii ni hivyo. So kwanza uweke 4K, halafu tutakuja kuweka the other one. So watu wasiseme ni 200, so let me get closer. So that's 4,000. So it will start reading. Ikishaweka 4,000, then tutarudi to nini, tuweke the rest until ikuwe full tank. So where you can get that fuel treatment, you can get it from any Carrefour supermarkets. Na niliambiwa ni place ukishafika hapo unauziwa, how much did I bought it? I think around 1,300, and anytime you use it on full tank, it cleans all the fuel impurities, and this car will now give me better performance. I have monitored it for the last 3,000 kilometers, and I have seen that the performance has been around 18 kilometers to 1 liter, but right now it is going to improve much better. So what I do is always that my vehicle, I fuel it with a full tank. I don't put 200, I don't know, 1,000. So the best thing you can do is to make sure that you put a full tank, and it will serve you for close to 800 kilometers. So the fuel tank for this car is around, the full tank is around 42 kilometers, 42 liters, I think. It's already 4,000. Yeah. So ishaingia 4,000, ishaingia 22 liters. So we are going now to put the rest of the fuel treatment, and then ishaingia yote sawa. So ukishaweka yote, then tuweke until ikuwe full tank. Sasa see, you are able to see. So uweke hadi ikunywe hadi iseme no more. Hii inakuanga, kuna mahali wanakuanga wameandika fuel capacity ya tank. Kwa hii
like mimi natoa pale kwa gauge.
Oh, but normally najua inaingianga around 40, it should be 40 liters there. So and then guys, the advantage ya kukunywa place kama Shell is actually what I don't know, because nikiangalia pale Shell wanauza 176, but pale Lake Oil, I don't know whether you can see, wanauza 173. So there is a clear different Lake Oil that is exactly opposite where I am, and Shell where I am buying from. So I think this is just a matter of trusting a brand and going with it until the end. But for so many matatus, so many taxi Uber drivers, some prefer to buy from Lake Oil, but for me, I think Shell any day, any time. Not because I love them, but because I think the brand is trusted. So we are seeing that the full tank is behaving. Let me try to add some more light. So ikishafika hapo ni kumaanisha imejaa, nishaona hiyo. So it is full to the brim, na ilikuwa close to empty. Wacha nione, imechukua another 3400, 19 liters plus 22. Ile ingine ilikuwa imeingia 22, but now the full amount inakunywa 4000 plus 3000, inakuja 7400. So wacha nichukue hii kachupa kangu niende nako. Nitaenda kueducate watu more about fuel treatment and why I think it is important for them kutumia kwa gari zao. So nitakulipa cash. Wacha ni video nikupatie. Sawa sawa, asante sana bro.